بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم واعتصموا بحبل الله جميعا ولا تفرقوا واذكروا نعمة الله عليكم إذ كنتم أعداء فألف بين قلوبكم بنعمته إخوانا فأصبحتم بنعمته إخوانا وكنتم على شفا حفرة من النار فأنقذكم منها كذلك يبين الله لكم آياته لعلكم تهتدون.
The journey of First Hijrah Foundation, a legacy of faith, sacrifice, and unity. Every great achievement begins with a vision. The story we celebrate today began nearly 40 years ago, in 1986, when a group of visionary Muslim brothers and sisters established the First Hijrah Foundation. Their dream was to build a strong Islamic community where faith would flourish, children would learn Islam, families would find support, and future generations would remain connected to their religion and identity. Those pioneers had limited resources but limitless faith. Through their sacrifices, dedication, and sincere efforts for the sake of Allah, they laid the foundation upon which we stand today. We honor and thank every founder, former leader, volunteer, donor, and community member who carried this organization through 4 decades of service. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward them abundantly and accept all of their efforts as Sadaqah Jariyah. As the years passed, Allah blessed our community with tremendous growth. Our existing masjid became too small to accommodate the needs of our congregation. Every Jumu'ah prayer, every class, every youth program, and every community gathering reminded us that the time had come to build a larger home for our growing community. About 2.5 years ago, we made a bold decision to purchase a permanent Islamic center that would serve generations to come. With complete trust in Allah, our community came together like one family. During our very first virtual fundraising campaign, brothers and sisters from across the country responded with extraordinary generosity, raising more than $1 million toward this historic project. Then came a moment that will forever be remembered in the history of First Hijrah Foundation. On January 26, 2024, by the grace of Allah, we officially purchased the spacious Adelphi Islamic Center. The very next day, during our January 28th fundraising event, we surprised the community with the exciting announcement that their new masjid had already been secured. The joy, gratitude, and tears of happiness on that day reflected the blessings of Allah and the unity of this community. Purchasing the building was only the beginning of the journey. The center required significant renovations and improvements before it could fully serve the community. We remodeled the deck, upgraded the fire alarm system, completed numerous maintenance and safety improvements, and worked tirelessly to prepare the facility. Alhamdulillah, in May 2024, we received the occupancy certificate, officially opening the doors of our new home. Without delay, the masjid immediately began serving the community. In the summer of 2024, we launched our first summer camp at the new center, welcoming more than 100 students. Soon afterward, our weekend Islamic school opened its doors and has continued to educate hundreds of children in the Quran, Islamic studies, and good character. As the center became fully operational, First Hjjrah Foundation celebrated another historic milestone. On October 12, 2024, the community gathered in overwhelming numbers for the grand opening ceremony, officially inaugurating the Adelphi Islamic Center. It was a day filled with gratitude, unity, and excitement as families, community leaders, and supporters came together to celebrate the realization of a dream. The grand opening marked not only the opening of a new building, but also the beginning of a new chapter in the history of First Hjjrah Foundation. Although we had purchased the center, nearly $2 million in debt remained. Determined to complete what we had started, we launched the 1,000 for 1,000 campaign, inviting 1,000 supporters to make recurring monthly contributions. Through the consistency and generosity of our community, along with additional fundraising efforts, the remaining balance steadily declined to just $989,000. Then, on December 28, 2025, Allah blessed us once again. During our final fundraising event, the community pledged the remaining balance needed to completely eliminate the debt. What once seemed like an impossible dream had become a reality through faith, sacrifice, and unity. And today, June 20th, 2026, we witness another historic milestone. Today, by the permission and mercy of Allah, we pay off our masjid in full. This building is much more than bricks and walls. From the day its doors opened, it has fulfilled the very purpose for which it was purchased. It has become a center of worship, education, service, and unity. Every day, this masjid serves our community through the 5 daily prayers and Jumu'ah prayers, weekend Islamic school for hundreds of students, summer camps that nurture the next generation, weekly youth programs, educational seminars and community gatherings, family events, celebrations, and countless opportunities to strengthen our faith and our bonds as one community. Today's achievement belongs to every founder who planted the seeds in 1986, every board member and leader who carried the mission forward, every volunteer who gave their time, every donor who gave from their wealth, every family who believed in the vision, and every child whose future will be shaped within these walls. The mission of First Hijrah Foundation continues. By the permission of Allah, subhanahu wa ta'ala, our next major project will be the establishment of a spacious Islamic center in Virginia. Just as we came together to make the Adelphi Center a reality, we have every confidence that, with Allah's help and the continued unity of this community, we will achieve this goal as well. Today's success is not the end of our journey. It is the beginning of a new chapter. A debt-free Maryland Center gives us the opportunity to dream bigger, serve more people, and continue building a lasting legacy for generations to come. To our entire community, stay tuned. The next chapter of First Hijrah Foundation is just beginning. Inshallah, together we will once again witness another historic milestone. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept every prayer, every donation, every hour of volunteer service, and every sacrifice made over the past 40 years. May He reward our founders, our past and present leaders, our donors, and every member of this community with the highest ranks of Jannatul Firdaus. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.
الوفا في الهجرة الأولى نصنع الإخاء نحن عائلة واحدة تعاوننا للزمان موطن القلب فيه السعادة والأمان First Hjjrah, First Hjjrah.